In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access Hulu in virtual reality, VR. Let's get started. To stream Hulu in VR, you'll need a compatible VR headset like the Meta Quest, HTC Vive, or PlayStation VR. Start by downloading the Hulu app for VR from your headset's app store. For example, Meta Quest users can find it in the Oculus Store, while PlayStation VR users can access it via the PlayStation Store. Install the app and launch it on your VR headset. Once the app is open, sign in with your Hulu account credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one and subscribe to a Hulu plan. After logging in, you'll be able to browse and watch Hulu content in an immersive VR environment. For the best experience, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and adjust your headset settings for comfort. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy Hulu in VR.